Hello, everyone. Today is the 8th of March, International Women Day, and I wish all the best to all women who is attending this conference today. Because if you are here today, it means that you decided to choose a very interesting career journey, and which is quite challenging. And I will tell you about today what our company offers to mobile developers, to games developers, and also to women to help them to build their business, to build their career. So let's start. Uh, my name is Kira Komshilova, and I'm a leader of developer technical support team at Huawei. I have been working for this company for more than 5 years so far. And in spite of the fact that our company is one of the biggest technology corporations in the world, it has a startup mindset. What I'm talking about? I'm talking about that our company is flexible, tech-oriented, and innovative. That's all about us, and this all about Huawei. I can give you an example. It was May 2019 when US banned Huawei. And starting from that time, it was forbidden to use Google Play services in our Huawei smartphones. And when I came to the office next day, I figured out that Huawei decided to start the project to build Huawei mobile services ecosystem overseas. And the result was impressive. Even this ecosystem was launched overseas in 2016. There were only basic SDKs for developers. And in 3 months, in August 2019, there were 12 SDKs in our ecosystem. In the beginning of 2020, we launched 12 more SDKs. And at the moment, 3 years later, we have almost 70 SDKs in our ecosystem. Our Huawei mobile services is alive. There are daily active users. There are applications which are integrated with HMS Core. There are applications globally, and we are proud what we achieved. Look at this. So far, so we have more than 5 million developers registered in our system, who are using our technologies. Also, we have more than 173,000 applications integrated with HMS Core, and this number is increasing constantly. And at the same time, globally, we have more than 300 billion applications distributed through Huawei App Gallery, our application store. This is what we achieved within only 3 years. And it means that for you, for mobile developers, we have so there is one more strong mobile services ecosystem which can be used for your business, and which, if you are considering, you're working on your, for example, first startup, maybe a mobile application, mobile game, maybe you will take a look at our ecosystem and will use it to build your business. You can see that we have so many partners who already who already integrated with HMS Core, and who are already working with us closely, distributing applications in Huawei App Gallery. But I'm talking a lot about Huawei mobile services ecosystem. Let's take a look what it is. The keystone of Huawei mobile services ecosystem is HMS Core, which is a mobile service framework which opens up a variety of services and capabilities to mobile developers. And mobile developers can develop applications for different scenarios: education, news, health, entertainment, and others. At the same time, if HMS Core is installed in any Android device, our customers get access to different Huawei services like Huawei App Gallery, Cloud, Video, Themes, Huawei Assistant Today, Browser, and others. More and more services coming soon and will be available for developers. Here I would like to tell you about Huawei App Gallery, what it is. Huawei App Gallery, this is Huawei Application Store. And this is very important for our developers because they can distribute their applications through Huawei App Gallery to Huawei users. Uh, the number of applications which are using our HMS core is constantly increasing. The basic SDKs in our ecosystem are PushKit to send push notification messages, MapKit, IP and Ads Kit to monetize your applications. All mobile developers are aware and familiar about these services. But besides that, with machine learning and AR engine SDKs, developers can implement their innovative ideas and to provide completely different user experience to end users. And you can see from these numbers that number of these applications which are integrated with these innovative SDKs are constantly increasing. In 2021, we released new HMS core, HMS core 6.0. And if before we were focused on increasing number of SDKs to cover basic developer needs, then starting from HMS core 6.0, our focus is innovations. HMS core 6.0 helps developers to develop applications, including mobile applications and web applications, including native apps, web apps, quick apps, and also Android's, Windows. Also, HMS Core 6.0 supports calls in different devices like smartwatches, smartphones, smart screens, and car machines. This is a result of our work on HMS Core 6.0. So the result is that we have more than 60 SDKs and more than 20,000 APIs for developers. Actually, we have almost 69 SDKs now. And we didn't even upgraded existing SDKs, but also we opened advanced technologies to developers in media applications, graphics renderings, and network and network. Usually, developers who are familiar with any mobile services, for example, Firebase or Google Play services, they so they will need only maybe from 1 to 3 days to integrate with our SDKs, HMS core. So you probably will not believe me if I will say this, but I'm going to give you some example. The thing is that during the last 2 years, we organized a lot of contests for mobile developers, and at the same time, we attended third-party hackathons as a partners. For example, my team attended Junction 21 hackathon for developers in the Nordic region, so organized by organized in Finland. And what we did, so the idea of hackathons is great, is amazing. You should develop an application, a project within 48 hours, and you need to demonstrate it. That even this application, sometimes just a prototype, they should be working. And we offered some for our challenge, Innovate with Huawei. We suggested to use only map, push, IP, ads, and sidekits. So very basic SDKs. And we were so surprised when 3 teams out of 12 who attended our challenge decided to use AR engine. Even it was not suggested. And they succeeded. They could develop amazing applications and games within 48 hours, and they could demonstrate that without any knowledge, without any experience of using our technologies, it's possible. For me, startups are associated mostly with games and game studios and games industry. Maybe because I recently met a lot of games developers, and most of these games developers, even they work for big companies, they have their own hobby projects, games. And of course, they would like to succeed. And one of the interesting ideas I heard from these developers was that if you want to develop a successful game, you should develop a game you like to play, not you like to develop. I can say that it sounds really cool and really reasonable. And in our ecosystem, we have everything to support you, games developers, because we understand that you would like to develop the game and you would like to be focused on the game's mechanics and logic and not focus on other features which just support a game. According to Gaming Report 2021, more than 61% of the games developers are using Unity engine. So that's why we developed a Unity plugin to support these developers. And what this plugin helps to integrate SDKs and services essential for games development. For example, game service to get information about achievements and leaderboards. Also, ads and in-app purchases kit to monetize your game. And of course, push kit to send push notification messages, and 8 other SDKs. The idea was to make it easy to use and easy to learn. And we could achieve it. So we developed this plugin, and this plugin is just, it contains a DLL that allows bidirectional communication between C# and native Java HMS SDKs. If you would like to integrate your application with HMS SDKs and you are using Unity for development, there are only 3 easy steps to be done. You need to register your game, you need to import Unity plugin, and you need to connect with HMS managers. 3 steps. Let's consider these steps one by one. The first, what you need to do, you need to register as a Huawei developer in our developer.huawei.com website. After that, you need to create a game and configure information about this, so for this game. And after that, add a fingerprint. These steps are not specific for Unity games and Unity projects. This is the common steps to be done for every application to be published in Huawei App Gallery. But other steps, 2 steps, are specific for Unity projects. Our Unity plugin is available in GitHub repository. It is open sourced. You should download it from there. After that, you need to import this plugin. And after that, you need to include AG Connect service JSON file to your project. We created this plugin to make it easy to use. This is what I told you. And for every SDK you are going to use in your project, you need to connect with HMS managers. You need to activate the kit you are going to use. For example, in this particular example, you would like to activate Ads kit. You need just to select the checkbox. After that, you need to configure parameters specific for these SDKs. And after that, of course, coding. So, but it's not so difficult. And in the GitHub repository, you can find instructions how to do this. So for every specific SDK, there are some specific steps and to be done. How much time it will take for you? Unity plugin integration will take, with Unity plugin, you can integrate within 1-2 hours. And this is what was confirmed by our partners. In 2021, more than 400 applications have been integrated with HMS using this plugin. And experience is very promising. Huawei Developer Ecosystem is a developer-centric ecosystem. And this is not only the set of SDKs we provide to developers, but of course you can find documentation. You can find their comprehensive documentation with sample codes, case examples, and industrial solutions. Besides that, we provide technical support. There is a special convenient service ticket submission system, and you will get, if you have any problems, you can submit a ticket and you will get response within half an hour. Besides that, we have operations teams across the so worldwide, and so you can get support from these teams as well. And the last thing I would like to talk about is resources. We have different programs like Shining Star program. We have developer programs, and which supports developers in our ecosystem. Connect developers and continue to inspire them for a win-win ecosystem. We have different programs for developers. This is what I told you. And before pandemic, we organized a lot of Huawei Developer Days. We organized these events in UK, in Spain, in France, in Germany, in Poland. This is a conference for developers where we meet developers face to face. We introduce our technologies. We have organized workshops. Even we give our devices to try, because most of the developers never used this. Never used our devices before, or and maybe never seen them. At the same time, so last year, our focus was on the Huawei developer groups, Huawei student developers, Huawei women developers programs. We would like, and what we are doing at the moment, we are building community for developers. We would like to support students. We want help them to build their future, bright future career. At the same time, so we organized contests for developers, and also we attend third-party events as partners. For example, last year we attended Hack Cambridge, Hack Zurich, and also Junction 21 in Finland. Now, let's talk about Huawei Women Developer. Huawei Women Developer Program was created to help women to build their career, because you know that we women are often looking for some support, because being in working in ICT men-dominated industry, this is an everyday challenge, and we really need support. We would like, all of us, we would like to be heard. We would like to be successful. We would like to be confident. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter what is your role. How long have you been working in this industry? We have the same problems and we have the same goals. And our Huawei Women Developer Program helps women to build their career and build their future. We organize motivation workshops with other experts. For example, recently, Huawei Women Developer Program organized event how to build your executive presence and own the room. And we invited speakers from SAP, Slack, and Huawei. And they shared very practical and very so useful um, recommendations, so advices how to behave in different situations. So this is what we are looking for. At the same time, we understand that in order to be successful, you need to be an expert. And in order to achieve this goal, we organize events with experts in cutting edge techs to support you. And at the moment, we have a very experienced and very proactive Huawei women developer ambassadors in UK. And we are looking for ambassadors in other countries. So if it's interesting for you, you can apply for this program and you can become a member. Also, I would like to introduce you Huawei Apps App. Huawei Apps App is an innovation contest for mobile developers, and we organized this event already twice overseas in 2020 and in 2021. Our idea is that we would like to inspire talented developers to develop uh, innovative applications using our technologies. And we have different awards, different prizes, like Best App, Best Game, Best Social Impact. And besides that, we have a special award for women, Tech Women's Award. Last year, the winner was Cristina Angelillo from Italy. Maybe you will be the winner this year. Huawei Apps Up 2022 will be announced later, maybe in March or April. So you can check information about this event in our website, developer.huawei.com. And I would like to tell you, to repeat again, that our Huawei developer platform is developer-centric. We developed it to help you, developers, women developers, to build your bright future. Here, you can find everything you need. Innovative ideas, you can find cutting-edge technologies, and at the same time, you can find like-minded people and professional support from us. Thank you Thank you very much for your attention.